Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add multiple cards on PayPal. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com, or of course go and download the application if you want to do it like that. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or of course register to PayPal if you already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. We have the home screen, the send, wallet, activity, and help. We also have the send and request and a lot of other options that you can of course go and see here underneath these options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add multiple cards on PayPal. It is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it. First of all, what you need to do is, out of all of these three options, add card or bank, create an invoice or more, click on add card or bank. After that, this screen will pop out where you of course need to go and log in and click on link a credit card or link a bank account. For this option, you'll need to go and click on link a credit card. After that, you just need to go and put all the information about that card. So enter the card number and everything and click card. Then of course exit. And then if you want to link multiple cards, you'll just need to go and do a simple thing, which is go and repeat all of these steps to of course do it again. And then you'll have multiple cards set up for you. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.